What is up, guys? And we are back with the S197. As you guys know from previous videos, we are going for the goal of building the perfect S197, and today we actually have something that we're going to add to it. No, last video might have been a little boring. It was just me explaining the channel and explaining what we were going to do, but today we are actually adding something to the Mustang, and that's why we are in the driveway. Obviously, you guys know we have all the striker light stuff on the car. We have these, we have the front ones as well, and we have the grill. But today we're going to be adding more striker lights to the car, as I think they are just perfect. Now we have these ugly OEM tail lights. 1314 tail lights, by the way, are the most perfect tail lights, but these are ugly compared to these. These right here is something I've been debating on for a while, Euros or not, because these are red and black like the car, but the red is not necessarily the same. So now we have these Euros. Obviously, with them being striker lights Euros, though, they are going to do a couple extra things that OEM ones wouldn't exactly do. But before I show you that, we got to put them on, and yeah, let's get started. So you guys with S197s, my gosh, this is the worst thing about this car. Dirt gets trapped up in here when you wash it, and then when you drive, it just comes out. It's been a while since I've taken the taillights out, so I don't remember if I need to take the bumper off or not, but we'll figure that out in just a second. So the trunk needs some work. We need to make a video on that soon, doing maybe a trunk setup or some sort. Right now, I don't even have this mounted. The trunk's obviously dirty. Yeah, we need to make a video on the trunk setup and actually do a real setup. Yeah, future video, I guess. So to install these lights, it should be pretty easy. Take this out, take the 3 or 4 bolts, I can't remember, off of the tail lights, and then they should pop right out. I can't remember if I have to pop the bumper off, but we'll see. So let me get started on that, and I'll catch you guys when they're out. And just like that, I think that was maybe 5 minutes. The taillights are out. We just have to disconnect that little housing there, disconnect the little housing on there, and put these in. That is the one thing I like about Striker. They always make things work just like OEM, and they're very, very easy to install. If you guys would like to pick up a set of these, or the side markers, or the grill that's on the front of the car, then go down to the description and use my link for Striker lights, and we'll get you set up. Anyway, let's get back to installing this. All right, you guys tell me what you think's better. So here's what it looks like now. Here's what we started with. I don't know what you guys think is better, but I do like these. They're all blacked out. It definitely looks pretty good on the car. They're all installed. Now all we have to do is run these wires right here. So you will take this wire, run it all the way up, and you will run it to this blue Ghost controller, and they will hook into there or hook into there, and then this will be your power and ground. So it does reuse this OEM plug, so you'll just take this, snap it in, take this and snap it right in, and there you go. Now these are all installed. You just got to run these wires up. All right, so as you guys can see, I got them in. They're just on a random show mode right now. And all I did was put the blue Ghost in there, wire it all the way up under, come through my fender. I got to clean this up, obviously. That'll be another video. I want to do a full wire tuck up under here. But yeah, they're just hooked up. That is your ground, and that is your power wire right there. So yeah, and then you just use the app on your phone. I will be showing you guys tonight what they look like when they are a little bit brighter. So ready to skip tonight? 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so now it's nighttime. We have all the striker lights on, and the tail lights are fully in and installed. I wish on camera it would show how vibrant these colors are, but it just doesn't show very well. I wanted to show you guys, there's endless modes to these. You can literally do anything. If we stood here all day and showed you guys all the modes, it would take probably an hour. This is the Blue Ghost new controller, and you can just see all the modes. And all of these are obviously customizable, so you can speed it up or, you know, lower the brightness, speed up, whatever it does. Every single mode is its own customizable thing. And yeah, so you can pretty much do anything you want with these. Also, you can customize your turn signals, your parking lights, your brake lights. You can do all of that just through this Blue Ghost app. The colors just aren't that vibrant on video, but I swear in person, these are so bright and the colors are so vibrant. I mean, even the side markers, you can see them lighting up the ground. So just imagine how bright these taillights are. Obviously, I record on an iPhone, so I can't get that good of clips. I wish I could get better video of these because they really, really do look just absolutely amazing. Obviously, there is a million different modes. This video would be an hour long if I showed you guys all the modes that these things can do. If you want to pick up some yourself or anything Striker, I'm sure that they have whatever car you drive on their website. If you guys want anything Striker, just go in the description, check out my link, and just search your car on the website and see if they have something. Then you can play with the modes yourself and see just how many modes there are on these things. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment telling me what you want to see next or what you thought about this video. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.